Tonight on What's Next, we're talking about sex. Millions of women in the United States are plagued with a low sex drive, but a Triangle company is leading the charge to give them what could be a groundbreaking treatment. Sprout Pharmaceuticals is what's next. Barbara Gattuso enjoyed her life in San Diego, but something was missing.
I have a wonderful husband, a wonderful marriage, and I had absolutely no desire for sex.
Barbara suffers from what's called hypoactive sexual desire disorder. In layman's terms, a low sex drive. HSDD affects 1 in every 10 women.
You feel awful. You feel worthless. You feel like you're contributing to possible breakup of your marriage or your husband going elsewhere.
Enter Sprout Pharmaceuticals, located at North Hills in Raleigh, and developer of flibanserin, which treats sexual dysfunction in women. CEO Cindy Whitehead.
Sex is complex. We all bring our background into the bedroom, we bring our relationship dynamic in the bedroom, but we all bring biology into the bedroom.
Here's what we're talking about. This is the brain of a woman with normal sexual desire. The blue indicates her ability to deal with distractions like family and work. This is the brain of a woman with HSDD, and as you can see, there's very little blue there.
It surprises a lot of people that more women than men suffer from sexual dysfunction, and yet for women's most common complaint, there still isn't even a single medical treatment option.
Flibanserin is known as the female Viagra, but there are some big differences. While Viagra is used as an as-needed basis, flibanserin is taken daily.
It works on key chemicals in the brain to basically increase desire and decrease distress. So it has a positive effect on the positives and, in essence, a negative effect on the negatives.
The research into flibanserin has lasted 12 years now. More than 11,000 women have been involved in clinical trials. That's 15 times as many as the typical drug approval. Barbara, who was included in the clinical trials, saw significant changes in just 2 weeks.
I had desire. I would wake up in the middle of the night with desire, and I felt like I was 20 years old again.
How did it change your marriage when it started working?
Well, it made my husband very happy, that's for sure. Happy, what's the cliche, happy wife, happy husband.
But then came the roadblock. Sprout submitted its application to the FDA in March 2013. It was denied in September. The agency wanted more tests. Sprout hopes to resubmit by the end of the year with approval, potentially by the end of 2015. Barbara and her husband will be watching closely.
If there's something available, why are we being denied the right to have that choice to take that medication? Why are we being denied that opportunity to have pleasure in our life?
So the FDA's big concern with flibanserin is its effects didn't outweigh the side effects like dizziness, nausea, and fatigue. Part of the new trials will see how the little pink pill interacts with other drugs and how it impacts driving abilities. Every What's Next piece is right at your fingertips, from remote-controlled roaches to an odorless toilet. Just go to the WNCN page on YouTube and click on the What's Next channel.